is organized in Gwalior city of Madhya Pradesh, which contributes greatly to the economy of the entire region and is a means of employment of thousands of people. But this year, there is a cloud of confusion over the organization of this fair. Political questions have also arisen regarding this. Madhav Rao Scindia is sitting on a sit-in demonstration to demand the business fair of Gwalior Trade Fair. Traders allege that efforts are being made to end the fair on the pretext of health problems, while fairs and other programs are being organized in Ujjain, Jabalpur and other cities. Let us tell you that the Scindia dynasty started this fair as Animal Fair 115 years ago. Gradually, other businesses were attached to this fair. Organizing the fair, Scindia dynasty aimed to accelerate the economic development of the region, and this fair was successful in this purpose. But in the 15-year BJP-led government, the fair was fiercely ignored. Many years of government facilities including tax exemption, the fair was kept ignored. At that time, Jyotiraditya Scindia and other Congress leaders kept accusing the BJP government of neglecting the fair. Gwalior Trade Fair got 50% exemption in road tax on the sale of vehicles on the demand of Jyotiraditya Scindia during the Kamalnath government last year. Despite this, the fair is in crisis and the traders of the fair are urging Jyotiraditya Scindia and CM Shivraj Singh Chauhan to organize the fair. The traders of Srimant Madhav Rao Scindia Trade Fair have given memorandum to Rajya Sabha, MP Jyotiraditya Scindia and Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan and demanded the organization of the fair. Fair Secretary PC Verma has also supported the demand of the traders and is healthy that if the fair is organized, then the guidelines of the transaction will be fully followed. Let me tell you that this fair is not only a fair but a fair for the hearts of the people of the region. This fair is an example of the public service spirit of Scindia dynasty. Now Jyotiraditya Scindia is also in BJP and there is a lot of pressure on CM Shivraj Singh. That is why it is expected that the fair will be organized as well as whether Jyotiraditya Scindia will be able to return the old glory of this fair or not.